Let's take a look at what comes with the AIJOLLY 2K Action Cam. Inside the box, you will get the camera, charging case, USB charging cable, user manual, memory card, and the included camera accessories. Everything comes packed together so you can see exactly what AIJOLLY includes with the camera right out of the box. Here we have the AIJOLLY 2K Action Cam mounted right on the handlebars of an e-bike. As we move in closer, you can see how compact the camera is on the bike. Turning the handlebars from side to side also shows how the camera sits from different angles while mounted in place. Before we head out, here's the view from the AIJOLLY 2K Action Cam. This compact camera records in 2K resolution, and with it mounted on the handlebars, we're ready to hit the road to see what the footage looks like during an actual ride. The AIJOLLY 2K Action Cam also includes this magnetic mounting option. Place the magnetic disc underneath your shirt, position the camera on the outside, and it holds securely in place. It's a simple way to wear the camera while keeping your hands completely free. Another way to use the AIJOLLY 2K Action Cam is clipped directly onto your hat. Once it's attached, the camera follows your natural head movement. As I look from side to side and then up and down, you can see how easily you can change the camera's point of view while keeping both hands free. Overall, the AIJOLLY 2K Action Cam gives you a compact, lightweight camera with several different ways to wear it or mount it, whether it's on a bike, clipped onto your hat, or using the magnetic mount. It's a small size, makes it easy to take along on just about any outdoor adventure.